Now we've got number 25. We have basically an AND statement, but they've complicated matters by not just giving us an X in the middle. So it's up to us to solve for that X by getting rid of these things using the rules that we've learned previously. So we take away that positive 5 with a negative 5, and we have to do that on every side of the inequality. There's three portions. This side of the equal sign or equation is related to that side, it is related to that side. So however we treat one of those sections, we've got to treat each one. So what happens here is this just is gone, because it turns into a 0. This would be negative 18. And now we have negative 2x, and here we have 4. So now the only problem is we've got a negative 2 being multiplied times the x. So to undo that multiplication, we use a negative 2, divide by a negative 2. And the moment we divide by a negative number, divide or multiply, we've got to reverse these signs. So let's take care of that before we forget. Reverse that sign. Now we've got negative 2 over here and positive 9 over there. Negative times a negative is positive. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So this works, but it's a little bit deceiving because we've got the smaller number over here and the larger number over there. So even though this really does work, I kind of recommend that you turn it around. So let's put the negative 2 over here. We'll keep the relationship between these equations, or however, I'm not sure what the word is for this, but this side to that side to that side. We'll keep the relationship the same. So if you read x is greater than negative 2, so x is greater than, you can see x is greater than the negative 2. And then the 9 is bigger than the x. So basically I just turned it all around. You can see I switched places with these and turned the signs around just so I could write it where this is the smaller number, bigger and bigger. And does 25 ask you to graph it? No. But if you were to graph it, it would be much easier. Negative 4, negative 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm graphing this just so you can see that since we wrote the smaller number larger and larger, it just makes it a lot easier to graph and think about when you've got it in order from left to right. So this is an open circle, and that's a closed circle on 9. So that's how you would do that. The actual answer in your book is to put it in a statement. You'd say x is greater than negative 2 and, because it's an and statement, and less than or equal to, equal to 9. And that's how you do that one.